Jumushi Travels is back today. We are at Shangri-La Makati to experience the club lounge access. Maybe. Okay.
Hi! So, nandito na tayo sa, Horizon Club, Shangri-La, Makati. Same M din. And they're located on the 24th floor. Tapos may high tea sila for 2 to 4 and then 5 to 7 cocktail hour. And then breakfast din, meron din option here or punta ka sa Circles sa baba. So, titignan natin. Mukhang maganda naman yung menu na pinakita sa amin. May mga oyakodon, Philly cheesesteak. So, ang galing, no? Very diverse yung menu nila. And, ayan, sobrang ganda ng view dito. Kita mo yung buong, parang Mandaluyong tsaka Makati. Yan, hanggang Rizal. Kita.
Kita Rizal. Ano sa Rizal? Anyway, alright. Ano na?
So, ayan, mag-chill tayo at mag-aantay ng cocktail.
Afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea.
Okay,
See you.
bye-bye.
Bye.
So time check, it's afternoon tea time.
Kailangan ito.
Okay. Going to the room.
Tea. Hello, come in. Welcome to Makati Shangri-La. Room 1505. So, ano siya? Deluxe Twin. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. From the entrance, meron tayong room. Robe, slippers. Tapos may dalawang laundry bag, tsaka yung safe. And then, let's see the restroom. So, yung classic restroom nila. Pero may bidet na.
Mababari naman.
Pero luma pa rin yung nila, amenity. Pero nakaana na rin. Naka-bottle, hindi na single use. Tapos yan, may bathtub and kompleto pa rin yung amenity kit. And, ito yung bago, Gen Masters. Tapos, ayan, yung shower. Okay, so kompleto naman. So, very, 90s, 2000 yung decor. Tapos, andito yung luggage area. And then, yung coffee facilities nila and tea. Yan. May kettle, tsaka may Nespresso. Tapos, ayan, may water and, ano ba ito?
Alam ko, ano yung chocolates.
Chocolates. Yan, and yung mga instant. Tapos, I think may ref. Yan, may ref din dito. And minibar. And hot snacks. Tapos, twin setup tayo for today's video. And, ayan, anniversary cake.
Happy anniversary
Ganda.
to you.
Okay, and then yung view natin is yung Manila Pen. And maganda yung binigay rin sa ating view.
Opo.
I like it.
Ah.
Tapos kita rin yung Ayala Triangle. Ayan. So, see you. Bye.
My favorite place, the fitness area. Charing.
Kasi kung BJC ka,
Nakaintindi dito, no?
tapos kung mababa yung rate compared sa Ascot, parang mas gusto ko na ng BJC. Maglalap sana ako.
Surprise!
Ikaw, Bibi. Ang gusto mo? Sir ko na lang. Thank you. Oo nga.
Baby, ngayon ay cocktailers. Sinintay natin yung iyong Neapolitan, ano? Okay, so ano masasabi mo sa selection?
Okay naman. Maraming salted. Sarap yung tofu sisig.
Yan, sarap. So,
And maraming iba-iba. May fish, may vegetarian. Yan. Ito, tuna tartar.
sarap. Magagasahan ko din. Pwede.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Acquired taste.
Okay.
Enjoy!
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so this is Shangri-La at night. Ito yung Glorieta. Banda dun yung mga iba pang malls, magkakadikit lang. 6750 and Shangri-La. Dami namang mga fit people.
Yung phone ko pala dito. Kunin ko lang yung phone.
Wow. Ito yung Philly cheesesteak. Tapos ito yung Nature's Harvest. Okay, so first two order dun sa options nila dito. Na, baby? Okay, bye-bye. May natin iba. Alright, so we have the deconstructed oyakodon for breakfast. Hindi magkakasama, magkakahiwalay.
Nasa labas siya, no?
I don't know, baka. Ang galing ng butterfly. Ay! Ala! Lumala na. Kita mo na. Hi!
Ay,
That's the end of our Shangri-La Makati adventure. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.